place in your face. You know who it is. That boy can cook. Back at you once again. They say that boy got that homemade spaghetti and meat sauce. Yeah. Check us out. Delicious. Winner. Spaghetti and meat sauce. Your dinner. Show you how to make it. Now let's get to this meat sauce and spaghetti. Here are your ingredients. Remember, measurements are in the description. We have our ground chuck, green bell peppers, yellow onions, Italian seasoning, minced garlic, Lari seasoning, black pepper, dry parsley, Worcestershire sauce, beef broth, and tomato paste and tomato sauce. Now let's put this thing together. Yeah. And of course, we can't get the spaghettis. Yeah. Go ahead and start to brown your ground chuck. Got that boy in now. Just break it on. Now we're going to take our Lari and black pepper. Bam. Let's get this mixed in. The ground meat starts to brown. We're going to go ahead and get our onions and our bell peppers in now. Make sure they get mixed all in. Alright, the ground meat is brown. Onions and bell peppers are tender and ready. So we're just gonna get this drained real quick. And then we're going to add the rest. We need to rinse the pot because we're going to use all of this. So we're gonna let our ground meat drain. Go ahead and add tomato sauce. Let's get our tomato paste. Yeah, now I go. So let's just get it all out. Now let's go ahead and add our beef broth. And let's give this a mix. Get this tomato paste all broke up. Like we have everything well incorporated. I mean the paste. So let's go ahead and add our garlic in there. Get that flavor going. Rest them in there. The way you get your little bits of garlic. All right, let's get our Italian seasoning in there. Let's get our Worcestershire sauce in there. We're gonna stir it up. Then we're gonna salt and pepper it to taste. Yeah, our spaghetti, our sauce is ready. We have salt and pepper seasoned it to taste. So now we're just gonna add, just for some color, some dry parsley. You know we gotta make it look pretty. You know, if it's appealing to the eyes, you will want to eat it. Yeah. But also, family, I am doing a cornbread, homemade cornbread video. So be sure to check that out. I will leave a link in the description. And also, hit me in the comments and let me know, what do you like with your meat sauce and spaghetti? Is it garlic bread, regular bread, cornbread, whichever one. Hit me in the comments and let me know how you eat yours. And as you can see, look at that. That is that. Awesome tasting, awesome looking, delicious meat sauce, baby. Now all we gotta do is finish our spaghetti noodles and plate this boy up. Ooh, look at that. Smelling heavenly up in here. All right, when we come back, we're gonna plate this goodness up. Yeah. Bam, we're gonna make it pretty. Now let's get our sauce on down. We're gonna work our way out. Look at that. Smelling delicious. Now let's decorate it. You know we gotta decorate it. Parmesan cheese. Just like that. Look at that. Limo dried parsley. There it is. Meat sauce spaghetti. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know what we're doing, when we're doing it. That boy can cook out the place, out your face. Till the next time.